And yes, we are watching and starting this one. This is CoinMarketCap. What's going on with cryptos? We have for the moment, look at this, today 60,594 crypto coins. That's amazing, guys. And we watch here Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin is going down. That's not the correct thing because it's dumping more. We are on 41,200 for the moment. It's going down 1.45%. And in the week, we are going down 12.8%. Really, really bad. Greetings to LFMX. Greetings to Litecoin. Ethereum is going down more as Bitcoin. Ethereum is losing the dominance, and you can see it here on this point. We will take a watch on Ethereum also. You can see it here, 19%. Ethereum is on 19% with the dominance, and Bitcoin is on 40.5%. Ethereum, we saw a dominance about 20.5%. Now it's on 19%, so Ethereum is losing more dominance as Bitcoin. And you can see here the top coins are red. The BNB coin down 19.16%. BNB is down on the day 1.5%. Solana is down. Cardano down. XRP is going down. Terra Luna, Polkadot, Avalanche, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. All these coins, the top 13 coins are going down. The only Polygon matching is up a little bit on the day, a little bit, 1.28%. But on the week, it's going down. Chainlink in the week, nice. One of the coins there, they are going up. There are not much coins. Guys, remember, we have here 16,596 coins for the moment. And we have only a few coins, only a handful of coins. They are going up in the week. I will show you this. So on 24 hours, the biggest winner is Zcash. Only 4.4% in the plus. BitTorrent's going up 4.3%. And Near Protocol is here with 3%. The biggest loser on 24 hours, wah, 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 wah. This is Gnosis. Gnosis is going down 12% in one day. That's really hard. Yearn Finance is going down with 10%, also really hard. And Harmony One with 9.38%. So the biggest winner in 7 days, this is Internet Computer. In 7 days, in the week, it's going up 24%. Really nice. Chainlink 18% and Dash 3.5%. And that's it, guys. We have 16,596 coins and only 3 coins are going up in the week. The rest here is going down. The rest is red. No, not the token coins, the real coins. They are going down, 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 red, red, red. Not good. Not really good. The biggest loser in 24 hours, no, in 7 days, it's Curve Token. Curve Token is going down 32%. Gala, 32% in the minus. And Cadena is also going down with 29%. Really, really bad, guys. Okay, that's it. Not so big winners, but we have big losers here. Not a nice picture for this one. And you can see, yes, the dominance, Bitcoin's going up a little bit. Ethereum's going down a little bit with the dominance. And we will check this here. What's going on with the Bitcoin dominance, guys? That's positive. That is a little thing that makes me a little bullish if you're watching Bitcoin. Because, yes, of course, we have a really bad downtrend. If we are watching the day here, if you're watching the day, you can see, yes, we are on a really bad downtrend here. If you're zooming in on the daily, we can see we had here a golden cross, and really short time after this, a few days, we have a death cross. That's the dominance. And yes, the death cross is telling us we will go down more and more with the dominance against the altcoins. But for the moment, the nice stuff is, guys, we broke out to the upside here from this little downtrend. We made a new little uptrend. This one here, let me show you. It's something like this. We broke out to the upside and we are going up here really nice a little bit. That's a little bullish sign for all Bitcoin traders. So it's better for the moment to watch Bitcoin and the most things as the altcoins. So let's move on. Fear and Greed Index. Yes, we have really much fear and fear here in the market. We have extreme fear in the market, 23 points. Yesterday also 23 points. And guys, I'm telling you, if we have extreme fear in the market, it's not the baddest thing to buy Bitcoin or to watch Bitcoin. Hey, Richie, greetings. On the bookmap, there are 400 Bitcoins on 40,000. So RSI on the 4-hour is going down, maybe. Okay, let me check it. Richie, I'm reading this in English because it's the English update. I made the German update before. Thanks for your comment. I will check the RSI, the 4-hour. And we have 400 Bitcoins on the bookmap as a nice buy wall here on 40,000. I hope so. We need on 40,000 is the last thing, guys. We need it higher. We need 40,500, but we will check this. So extreme fear in the market. What is telling us TradingView? Yes, TradingView is telling us on the months buy. Okay, but this is the only positive thing, because if we're watching the 1 week, we should throw away our Bitcoin. The daily is telling us sell, the 4-hour sell, 2-hour sell, 1-hour sell, 30-minute sell, 50-minute sell, 5-minute sell, minute sale. So we have no positive things, only the months. The biggest time frame is telling us we should buy Bitcoin. All other stuff is telling us we should throw away our Bitcoin. So what are the big news for the day? What are the big things now here? Let me show you this also, and let me show you this in English. Where is my translation? Let me show you this one again. So maybe, yes, we will see it, this one. So, okay. Really interesting. Crypto has entered a bear market. Damn, yes. But here is a positive sign. The positive sign is really easy for this news. I showed you this on the German update. Now it's the English update. The positive sign is that they are telling us, yes, we have extreme fear in the market with 23 points for the moment. And they mean if we are in an extreme fear zone, it's positive because maybe a lot of guys are buying Bitcoin then. I can hurry up with this. So the next thing is this one. Is this the bottom? Bitcoin RSI at lowest point since May 2021 crash. Yes, for the moment, the RSI is really, really low. But is this the bottom? We will see. We will see. We will check this now a little bit more here in this picture. And guys, this picture makes me really nervous because the picture is from Mosen Amini. Greetings out there. And he showed us this nice chart picture here. He showed us this one, this point here on the downside. A depression point will start under the line. What can we see? Depression. We are starting depression now, and this is not good because we broke this line here. We broke this important point to the downside. We saw it here. We saw it here on July 2021. We saw a nice spike over this line. And yes, it was a nice pump. But now, attention, attention. And that makes me a little bit sad here. Depressed. A little depressed here because we broke this line to the downside and now we're going down. The next thing what I'm showing you is this beautiful, wonderful rainbow color drawings here. What is this, Biti? What are we showing here? Let me show you. Let me go back a little bit here and let me show you. 2021. Let me zoom in a little bit more. What happened here? We saw here, and now we are here where I would like to show you this one. We saw here a nice pump to the upside. From the downside, a green, nice color here, a green, nice Bollinger Band to the upside. After this, we saw some consolidation here on this point. That's the blue color. After this, more consolidation. Here's a little pump, but more consolidation. After this, a bear market to the downside, this red one. Then we saw more consolidation and the next bull market to the upside. So we can see if we're watching these colors here on this nice multicolored Bollinger Bands. If you would like to use it for your own, type in on indicators multicolored Bollinger Bands. I use the length 21, not the length 20. It's not a big difference, but for me it's important. I use the length 21 and I have here these nice colors. And these nice colors are telling us, are we in a consolidation phase? Are we in a bear market or are we in a bull market? Guys, this is the 4-hour time frame. It is not the monthly, it's not the weekly, the daily, 4-hour time frame. Why the 4-hour time frame? I will show you this. Now let's go back. Let's go back to our point where we are and let's watch. Are we on a consolidation or on a bear market? And you can see it here loud and clear, colorful in this drawing. We saw a nice consolidation, a pump, little consolidation, a pump, little consolidation, 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 a next pump, a consolidation, and a dump, a dump, a dump, a dump, a consolidation, and the next dump. So yes, if you're watching the 4-hour time frame, if you're watching this Bollinger Bands, if you're watching this nice indicator here, this is showing us we are for the moment in the next bear market on the 4-hour time frame, not on the bigger time frame, on the 4-hour time frame. But it's really, really interesting for trading because, guys, yes, if you would like to search the perfect buy-in point, let me show you, or let me tell you. A lot of guys are asking me, Biti, is it now a good point to buy? Okay, let's watch this colorful drawing. We are in a really red picture. Is it a good point here to buy? Some things I have to tell you. This is a falling knife, guys. If you are buying in a falling knife, you can cut off your fingers. That's the big thing. It's possible to buy here the bottom. It's possible to go in here and to go in on the bottom, that maybe this is the bottom, and then we will see a next move to the upside. And then you are telling me, Biti, I bought here on the deepest point, really nice. Yes, of course. But guys, remember, if you're watching this one, we are in a red bear trend here. Here we saw a little try of a consolidation phase, red again. And it's really dangerous for the moment. Why? Because a lot of market makers are watching this one also, and they see, okay, maybe we're building a bottom. Let's go, the guys in here. Let's make long positions here. After this, we dump the market. We sell some billions of Bitcoins, of US dollar or something like this. Then we will see a spike to the downside. The stop losses will hunt here. Everyone will go out. Okay, then we're going down more and more and more. I'm out of the trade. I'm minus. I'm making minus. And what are the market makers making then on 39,900? Let's pump. Let's go in. Let's go up with the wick and let's pump. All these guys, they went in here, are out of the trade. And that's the dangerous situation. It's easier, if you're watching this point and if you're asking me, should I buy now? It's easier, in my opinion, to buy if we are starting a real consolidation phase, or if we are starting a nice green bull zone, like this one here to the upside. It's easier. That's not green. Sorry, guys. Here is a green one. So it's easier if you're starting a green zone here. Okay, consolidation phase is ending now. Maybe I use this point here. If I make trades for the long term, that's one of the things you can trade. You can trade off so much things, on so much things you can trade. It's unbelievable. But this is one thing you can watch if you are a trader. Okay, I will make a next long position. When is the next good point here? Maybe if you're starting a green, nice point to the upside. We will check this on my next videos also, but if we are checking all indicators, if we are checking all drawings, all patterns, all candlestick analysis, the video would be 2 hours on a day, and you will ask me, Biti, are you silly? I'm not watching your video 2 hours on a day. I have better things to do. Guys, I know it, but these are so important things, and I promised you at the beginning of my career of influencer, I'm a nice influencer, yes, I have some water here. I told you I will show you more and more and more indicators, and I will work for you and search for you more and more indicators to become a positive trader. If you have to make 6 trades or 7, and you can lose 3 or 4 if you're making 10 trades. And guys, this is important now. Sorry for my bad English once again. So, okay, this is this beautiful, colorful thing, and now you can see, yes, we are trying to make a next consolidation phase here. You saw it also here, but after this we went down again, and it's really hard for the moment to make or to search a long position if you're watching this one. Let's remove this stuff. This one is a really fast thing, Bitcoin stock to flow. I showed you this one. We are going down here once again. We are on the price about 41,000, 42,000 for the moment. It's not important. You can see the stock to flow price should be 107,000. We are on the half down, and it's maybe not the best thing here to watch this, because on the most things we saw here a nice pump to the upside if we saw a downgoing thing like this one here. Indicators, what are telling us? The candlestick pattern, not the indicators, the candlestick patterns, the daily, and this is nice. We closed the last for about 2 days here, the last one with the doji star and the harami cross. We piled it yesterday, the morning doji star, with a high reliability to go up here. This is a bullish sign. If you're watching the candlestick pattern, this is a bullish sign. And really, Deathcross shorters get wrecked. Oh yes, okay, we will see. For the moment, it's not looking really nice here. But okay, let's watch the Deathcross soon. I will show you this one. Yes, we have a bullish sign here. We have here a morning doji star. That's a bullish sign if we are watching the candlestick pattern. And today, this is all for the candlestick pattern. Let's take some hope with this nice doji star. Let's go deeper. This is Coin Codex. This is the price prediction. What is telling us this one? The price prediction is telling us, I will actually hit it here, refresh it here, and you can see, yes, it's looking not so good. We will go down more and more, 40,200. After this, a pump, maybe on January the 12th, 43,000, and then once again down. We have extreme fear in the market. We can see it here. We are bearish, 30% bearish, 30% bullish, 70% bearish. And look at this, all indicators here are telling us sell Bitcoin. It's not good for the moment. Very important is now this point here. This is the support points, the pivot point, support point, and I can see we are going down here more and more for the moment. 41,200 is the first support point. We lost it here because I think, yes, we are going down 40,800. We lost this really, really important point here. So the next point is 40,600 we need to watch. And if I watch this, yes, 40,800, we are nearly close to 40,600 to reach the target. And that's a really, really important stuff, guys. Let's move on here with this one. Biggest support point with the most strength here is 40,000. Okay, that's easy. We can see here the resistance lines to the upside. 42,500, 43,300, and 43,900. These are the biggest resistances to the upside. Now let's go into our analysis. What's happening now? What's happening for the moment? And guys, maybe this is the 50-minute time frame. Maybe we are building here shoulder, head, shoulder, an inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. Maybe this is now the trend line we need to watch, and maybe you're drawing it yellow. And maybe this is the point here to the upside. Something like this here. So it's possible to see an inverse shoulder, head, shoulder, and to see a breakout to the upside. If we will see more power to the upside, for the moment it's not looking nice, I know it, guys. But if this will play out, maybe we will see 45,000 here to the upside. If this little inverse shoulder, head, shoulder can play out. If we're watching this for the moment, yes, it is a shoulder, head, and maybe now the right shoulder, guys. So 40,800 is maybe not a bad point to buy. But attention, it's a falling knife, guys. It's a really, really bad falling knife. 50-minute chart is also not so nice, but I will show you this one today. Before we move on with this thing, let me show you the indicators. What are telling us? RSI. What is telling us? MACD. And what is telling us? The ribbon band. So now we have it here. Let's watch. We are oversold. We are extreme oversold. We are here on 20 points, 19 points, 20 points on the RSI. If you're watching this, yes, we are extreme oversold. We should see maybe a move to the upside if you're watching this one. MACD, bearish, extreme bearish. You can see it here on the 50-minute time frame. We're going down really hard. 1 hour time frame, we are going down really hard, but on the 1 hour time frame, it's now really, really important to watch. First of all, yes, we lost ribbon band, we lost the EM, we lost everything. Forget it. But we can see one thing here. This is this line. This is this line. This is the support line. And for the moment, we are breaking the support line to the downside. Attention, attention. This is also dangerous. We have here a bearish MACD, blue line under the brown line. Everything is bearish. I know it, guys. Bearish. Let's move on to the 4 hour time frame. So here we are. What is telling us this one? And this is now a little bit interesting. Let me show you. The RSI is here something like this one. We have some space to the downside, so it's possible to come down more and more and more if we're watching the RSI, but we have here the support. You can see for the moment we have a bullish MACD, blue line over the brown line, but you also can see the volume is going down here. The candles are not dark green, they are light green, and this is also a bad sign maybe that we're going down more and more here. Yes, not good. I know it, guys. Sorry about this. The 1 hour time frame is this picture. And on the 1 hour time frame, we can see here this one. A ribbon band, forget it. RSI, look at this here. We are going down with the RSI. This is the trend line. Yes, we have some space. The important stuff is now we are building here, or we are here for the moment oversold. That's a big thing to watch, guys. And we can make a line from here to here. And that's one of the biggest things now. We are building here a falling wedge. Look at this on the daily. And we are spiking it now once again here on this line. Maybe this is now a nice support line. Guys, we need to watch it. The RSI on the 1 day time frame is maybe now our help for the next pump. This is maybe now a little sign for a bottom building here. Maybe if we can use this here as a pump to the upside, as a nice sun to the upside, this would be nice. The MACD is bearish. You can see it on the downside. We're buying the next dark red candle. Also not good. Also not good. Crypto Sharknado. Hey, my friend. Thank you for watching and thank you for being here. Really, really nice to read you here. The bear market is here. Yes, possible. possible if you are watching my stream here and if you have watched here my drawings. Yes, it's possible. Okay, guys, this is the 1 day time frame. Guys, let me show you. The Ichimoku is not so important for the moment. What is now going on with the golden cross and Deathcross? This is a thing I would like to show you also for the day. Remove drawings, remove ribbon, everything back here. We will see on the daily what's going on with this indicator. Golden Deathcross indicator. And yes, it's looking really bad. It's looking really bad. We're going down on the day. We can see this stuff here, guys. If you're going down, if you're going maybe on a price like on a line like this here, or if we will see this one here, we will see a cross about January the 13th here for a Deathcross. This would be the next bad sign for more downgoing power, in my opinion. We need to watch it. For the moment, we are in a golden cross zone. You can see it. But yes, we can't go up here so fast. And I think it's possible to see here this in the next few days. The Deathcross, a really bad thing. We need crossings. We need confirmed closing candles over 48,300. For the moment, it's not a sign for this. For the moment, we are going down more and more. The 4 hour, what is telling us this one? If you're watching the 4 hour, we saw that Deathcross, and yes, again, we are going down really hard, and we are here a long way under this important green line here. We saw the fight with the green line, but we can't fight back this green line, and we're going down more and more, and that's really bad. So we are now in the 4 hour time frame. Remove this indicator, and let me show you now, last but not least, my big hope. My big hope to the upside is, and I hope this one will work. Let me show you on the daily, it's better. Yes, it's this one. We are, for the moment, fighting with this. I'll make it green line. I make it a green support line. So it's a bullish green support line, and we are fighting with this point here. This is so important, in my opinion, one of the most important things. I'm really wondering why most influencers and Bitcoin professors and something like this, or traders, are not telling you, attention guys, this is a really important line here. This is a really important sign, and we must hold it. I can't understand, because it's one of the biggest things for the moment. Yes, I can show you also this one. We are here. Let me show you. If you're watching this one, guys, this is also really interesting, because we saw here spikes to the upside, like this one here, and to the downside, like, let me show you this one here. This is a parallel channel to the sideways going parallel channel, and we saw a lot of fights here in this channel, a lot of fights. So here a fight, here a fight, here again, here again, here again, again and again, and here. And now we are fighting again with this channel, guys. So the big question, this is a really big area, and in my opinion, it's possible to pump up from this one here, to pump up to the upside. That's one of the things why I'm still long with bigger money. I'm still long with bigger money. I'm still hoping for a next big leg here to the upside. If we will lose this stuff here to the downside, attention guys, this is really dangerous, but I'm hoping for this one. Angry Higgins, open interest increased a bit, doesn't look like a deep dive. Yes, I hope so. This must hold. It's so important, guys, that we hold this this channel, and we hold this line, and we, yes, all. I told you on my last videos, attention, big one is coming in, shoulder, head, shoulder. If we will lose it, guys, you know it, target to the downside. Yes, that's really hard, that's really dangerous. This is a big thing to watch. Let me end the video with this one. This is a big thing to watch, because we have here a trend line. And yes, we lost this trend line here on this point. Maybe we saw a little retest, and maybe we're going down more and more. This is really ugly. If this shoulder head shoulder pattern will break out to the downside, if this will play out, for the moment, it's looking for me that it will play out to the downside. We have here a really bad price target. I showed you this on my last videos, and I end this video with this shock here for you. 15,000. Let me tell it, 50,000. 15,000 is the target for breaking down this shoulder, head, shoulder. And yes, that's a big thing. Angry Gains, lol, Dan also expect a short squeeze. Yes, it's not looking really nice for the moment. Okay, and this is the end of the video, guys. This is the end of my English analysis for you for the day. We have some things to watch, and the biggest thing to watch is this green line, this green fat line, in my opinion. Guys, very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. And I would be very proud if you would like to visit my Instagram account, my TikTok account, my Twitter account. I'm on YouTube with my live stream. I'm on Twitch with my live stream. I'm so a big influencer. No, guys, I'm a little influencer, but I try to help you with this information. I hope you can make some nice things with this. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not a financial advice. You know it, but I hope you can make millions with this information and with your trades. Guys, if you have any questions, write it in the comments, write it in the live chat. I have so much nice guys here. Angry Higgins here, Crypto Sharknado is here. These are my these are my two mods here. Thank you so much for supporting me, Crypto Sharknado, with donations, with real money. Thank you so much. It's paying my costs of this things here, of my electricity and this stuff here. And thank you so much for your help, guys.